Creating a high-converting opt-in page with LeadPages is one of the best ways to boost your conversion rates. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use LeadPages to design a page that grabs attention and generates leads. But stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to share some powerful alternatives that might just help you reach your goals even better. Let's dive right in. First up, the simplicity of LeadPages is a huge advantage. You can create your opt-in page without needing any coding skills. With its drag-and-drop builder, you can start from scratch or pick from a ton of templates. Whether you're new to creating landing pages or you've been at it for years, LeadPages makes it easy to put together something that looks professional right out of the gate. Next, let's talk about customization. While LeadPages offers a lot of templates, what really sets it apart is the level of customization it allows. You can tweak everything from text and images to button styles and layouts. It gives you flexibility, but sometimes you can find yourself going down a rabbit hole, trying to perfect every tiny detail. It's great for perfectionists, but it can also be a time sink if you're not careful. The third thing I want to touch on is the integration options. LeadPages makes it easy to connect your page with email marketing services, CRMs, and other tools. This is crucial because the last thing you want is to spend time creating a page that doesn't connect to your workflow. While it does offer integrations with popular services, there are occasional hiccups with syncing, and sometimes you need a third-party integration to fully automate your processes. Another important feature is its A/B testing capabilities. LeadPages allows you to test different versions of your opt-in page to see which one performs better. This is essential for improving your conversions over time, and with LeadPages, the process is fairly straightforward. However, it's worth noting that A/B testing can sometimes be limited in scope compared to other tools that offer more in-depth testing options. If you're looking to dig deep into the analytics, you might feel a bit restricted here. The fifth thing I want to mention is mobile optimization. LeadPages automatically optimizes your pages for mobile, which is essential in today's world where a large chunk of traffic comes from mobile devices. However, while the pages look good on most mobile screens, there can be occasional alignment issues, and you might find yourself tweaking the mobile version a bit more than you expect. Now, let's talk pricing. LeadPages offers solid value, especially with its range of features. But it can get pricey for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore some alternatives that offer similar features at a lower cost. And speaking of alternatives, by the end of this video, I'll tell you about some options that might actually serve your needs better for the goal of creating high-converting opt-in pages. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of LeadPages, so you can test everything I've mentioned today. But I also want to give you a heads up that I've found some amazing alternatives that might be more suited to your specific needs. They also offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get the best deal available. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below to start creating your high-converting opt-in page today.